Hi, Ryslyn here from Illinois. A little bit about myself. I'm a full-time housewife, a part-time voluntary admin, an online reseller, and now I'm proud to say a digital business owner. So what pushed me to become a digital business owner is that I have no stable income, I am married, and we cannot afford to have kids. Another thing is that my online reselling was struggling to grow the sales, and I was having a hard time to compete with the online resellers. So I felt like I need to do something about it. So this video is about us offering a free masterclass training, and we are helping thousands of people like me, giving away a step-by-step guide on how to earn income online with the power of automation. And you know what's so great about it? I don't need to sell. I don't need to bug my friends to buy the products. So if you are struggling about your job, or you're struggling about your sales online, over the phone, or face-to-face selling, and you feel like you need to do something about it, then I think it's time for you to take action and get the life you deserve. So check the link below, and I'll see you on the training.